Good morning, dear children. So, in a previous class, we have already discussed about the lesson like the crop production and management. So, in that one, we have already discussed about the meaning and definition of an agriculture and a crop and types of an crops and which are those means. The types of an crops, that is the kharif crop and rabi crops. So, in today class, we will move on to the next one concept, that is the basic practices of crop production. So in this one, mainly the 7 steps are there, that is the preparation of soil, and second one is sowing, and third one adding manures and fertilizers, and fourth one is irrigation, and fifth one is protecting from weeds, and sixth one harvesting, and last one is a storage. So in this one, when we produce the crop means in a advance means, so we have to be adopt some basic practices. So these are the some basic practices. In today class we will discuss about the preparation of soil and sowing. So first one is a preparation of soil. The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. And one of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. This allows the root to penetrate deep into the soil. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. These organisms are friends of the farmer since they further turn and loosen the soil and add humus to it. So this is the first step. The preparation of a soil is a first step before we are growing to the crop. And also it is very important in the agricultural practices, because so this one is a preparation of an soil is that will be allows or that will be gives rise to the very rich fertility in the soil. How means when we turn over the soil means, it will be loosen out, and also that will be gives rise to the place or atmosphere to the microbes or microorganisms like the bacteria and also some earthworms. So you know that earthworms are the friend of farmer. Why we can call it as the earthworm is a friend of farmer? As because that will be gives rise to the more fertility into the soil. So that's why we can call it as the earthworm is a friend of farmer. So how we can prepare the soil means with the help of some tools. So with the help of some tools we can loosen the soil, and that is called as a plowing method, or it may be we can call it as a tilling method. What is the definition of an plowing means? Here they have only given the process of an loosening and turning of the soil is a plowing, or it may be a tilling. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸಾಯಿಲ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫರ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಲವತ್ತತೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಯಿಲ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೋ. ದ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ plow. So this one is a plow. You just look at the diagram. So this is the plow. With the help of this one only we have to be loosen the soil and turning out of the soil. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called as a tilling, or it may be a plowing.